Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Now I will show you how to download Clash of Clans on iPhone. Write whether my solution helped you, whether you have it on your phone. If you have any questions, please let me know below in the comments. I will answer. Please subscribe to the channel, put likes. Let's get started. Go to the official application, the standard Apple Store on the iPhone or iPad. Then click on the search bar and in the search spell Clash of Clans. We find this application. Go to it. And we need to click on Get, or this cloud. Click on it. We're about to install. You might be prompted to write your Apple ID password. Don't worry, it's okay. Write your password, or use your fingerprint, or Face ID. And after that, you'll be able to stop your Clash of Clans app. Once it goes to install, it'll install, and then you go into it. Turn your phone upside down and you can play. If you like this method and you all helped and managed to do as I did, then be sure to write in the comments. I will read and answer. And also if you have anything did not work or have any questions. Also write, I will answer all. Subscribe to the channel. Put likes. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.